All right, let's look at Apple on the monthly chart. Apple was the most beautiful flag break, went right to our target. 260, 265 was about what we were estimating, and it just kept tapping 260 and tumbling. So beautiful, beautiful push. Let's look at the monthly chart first. So we've got this trend line that we have respected a couple times now. So for this month, for the month of October, I'm going to be watching that 218. Can we go all the way down to that 218 mark before we see a bounce and a move higher? We could also break, so keep that in mind and head down lower. But this is kind of what I'm looking at. It's a possible cup. We could be forming the handle right here. Let's just see. This is just something that potentially may be happening, right? So we're just looking for now. If we do form a handle and get a nice pullback here, we could then see more upside to follow. Looking at the daily chart, we came right down to this. We've tested this trend line now 3 times. We pushed below and then pulled back up just a little bit. So I want to see if we get below and hold below on Monday for more downside. We have a significant level right through about here at that 234 area to be mindful of, and we have another support level at about that 240 to be mindful of on the way down. So if we break lower, I'll be watching those levels as we head down. If we stay inside, we could bounce and head back up. This is that range we just broke out of, but we have room in between to kind of bounce back and forth in this squeeze. We need over 257 to head back up to our all-time highs again. But for right now, we're really holding inside of here. It's going to be interesting to see if we open up below this trend line. And then if we do, we're going to be watching those lower levels of support at about 240 and about 235, somewhere in there, to see if we are able to kind of hold that support and then potentially bounce. Or if not, what we do is from one support to the next, right? We know what those look like. So just watching this week to see if we can hold this 245. If not, we could potentially be setting up for more downside if we stay inside looking for a break of that 257.